What's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious pork chop recipe. Stay tuned. So we're going to start today's recipe off by washing our pork. You want to add some vinegar, red wine vinegar or white vinegar, whichever one you have available. And then we're going to drain the water off. Alright, so after the water is fully drained, then we're going to add our seasoning. Let's go. At this point, guys, you want to combine all your dry seasoning together. This is 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. Alright, and then we're going to add some paprika, 1 teaspoon as well, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, one teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of complete seasoning, teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of garlic powder, then you just want to mix it in until all these lovely dry ingredients are fully combined. And that is it, guys. So now we're going to start seasoning our pork chops. Now I'm just going to add a drizzle of olive oil. This is going to allow my seasoning, to stick, right into the pork. Mix it in real quick. And then we're going to add our blended dry seasoning that we, combined earlier. Rub it in, just like that. Smelling so good. Alright guys, so now we're going to add some oil to our frying pan, add our pork chops, and the rest is history. Stay tuned. Yes guys, so now you want to add your olive oil. I'm just going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, not much. And then we're going to add our pork chops. Listen to that sizzle. And you want to turn your stove to about medium-high heat, guys. This is going to add a nice little crust, nice sear to our pork chops. So we're just going to fry our pork chops for about 2 minutes per side, alright? These are the super thin sliced pork chops. So you don't really need to cook them for that long, 2 minutes per side and you should be good. At this point, you want to add some water, about ½ cup of water. This is going to allow our pork chop to steam, right through. And then we're going to add some Asian zing sauce. This is about 1/3 of a cup of Asian zing sauce. And we're just going to bring this liquid to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to let it simmer for about 2 more minutes, and we should be good to go. this is what the pork chop is looking like. So juicy. This is a super easy recipe to make at home, guys. Like I said, these are super thin sliced pork chops. Um, this entire recipe, from start to finish, shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. The cooking part only takes 5 minutes. All right, so we're just gonna top it off with our little sauce, and then we're gonna add some parsley. Add a little parsley to garnish. Yes, guys, and that is it. All right, so right now, guys, I'm gonna do a quick taste test and let you know how the flavor is and everything. All right, stay tuned. Ooh, slice right through. Mm, nice and soft. Oh yeah. Mm, okay. Mm. This is so good, guys, and that Asian zing sauce added a nice little kick to it at the end. Perfect. Peace.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want